Okay, this is dilating from a point that is not the origin. So here we have triangle ABC that we're going to dilate by a scale factor of 1/3 from point E. So I need to know what is the distance from E to each one of these points, and I'm going to be taking that distance and scaling it down to 1/3, and then I will plot those points, my new distances, from the E. So distance from dilation point, how far from E to A? Always start with the E, just staying consistent every time makes it so much better. So from E to A, go over before you go up or down. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. E to B, that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so over 6 up 9. E to C, that was 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6. All right, times the scale factor of 1/3. So 6 times 1/3 is 2. 3 times 1/3 is 1. 6 is another 2. 9 times 1/3 is 3. 9 times 1/3 is 3. 6 times 1/3 is 2. So these are my new distances that I need to plot from E. So from E, I need to go over 2, up 1, and that will be my A prime. This was ABC. This will be A prime, B prime, and C prime. So from the E, over 2, up 1 will be A prime. And then 2, 3. So from my E, go over 2, up 3. And then over 3, up 2 is C prime. Okay, so each point is now 1/3 the distance it was from E. So my A and my A prime, 1/3 the distance. Again, like with the last dilation video, if I do 1/3 and I square it, the triangle, my new shape, is 1/9 of the original shape. All right, we'll do one more example. So with the 1/3, it gets smaller and closer to the origin. Here I'm going to dilate by a scale factor bigger than 1, so it's going to get bigger and farther away. So I have point E. I need each one of these points to be twice as far. And then the 2 squared would be 4, so it's going to be 4 times as big. So how far, I always start with E, go over before you go up or down. So from E to A, I'm going to go left 6, down 3. So -6 because I went left, -3 because I'm going down. E to B is -3, -3. E to C is -3, -6. E to D is -6, -6. All right, I'll do each one of these times the scale factor of 2. So -6 times 2 is -12. -3 times 2 is -6. -6, -6, -6, -12, -12, -12. All right, so now I need to plot these points from the E. This is where a lot of people can get this part correct. They can multiply, but when they get to these points, they want to plot from the origin. So then people think, I can't go to 12 because my graph doesn't go to 12. But if you're starting with your E, then you have plenty of room to go. So none of this should be coming off of the graph. If you mess up, then those are 2 things to check for. Make sure that your original points, you started from your E, not giving me the coordinates of 1, 5 for A, but how far from E, and then giving me the new point from E. So I need to go left 12, down 6. So that would be, this is on the 7, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, down 6. And that is A prime. Go back to my E and go left 6, down 6. So B prime landed on the D, that's fine. -6, -12. So I went left 6, down 6 to get here, so I need to go down 6 more. That would be C prime. And then D would be left 12, that was 6. D prime. Okay, so my new square is 4 times as big as my original. Each point is twice as far from point E as it was.